Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope everybody's having a great day today. I'm back on behalf of Easy Profit 100. Okay. Easy Profit 100 is a program I've been in for about 3 years part-time. It's been around about 7 years. Okay. But you probably landed here because you're looking for a way to make some money online, and you came across this video. This is affiliate marketing channel. So make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. But at any rate, I'm a full-time affiliate marketer and actually show people different opportunities, solid opportunities that they can make money with by simply being an affiliate marketer and promoting either a product or service. And when someone joins that product or service, the company pays you a commission, okay? So it's a great way to make money online. So that's what my channel is all about. So Easy Profit 100 was designed as a direct mail program 7 years ago for the average person to be able to make money from home, simply just mailing postcards. But it has evolved, okay? And we've brought it more to the forefront online. So not only can you mail postcards and receive $100 commissions over and over, you can market this online too, so you don't have to get involved with the offline piece of it if you don't want to. You can just market this simply online, and I can show you how to do that. So it's $149 one time. You're going to make $100 commissions over and over by simply referring people to the program. Now the program is going to include in your kit, you're going to get in the mail in about a week. You're going to get 120 leads to put on your postcard. You're going to get a CD from Art, a Christian CD. You're going to get this website. You're going to also receive, you're going to have a back office, guys. We all have a back office. You can log in. You can track your sales. Okay. Online library. This website is right now being updated too, so it's going to really be fully developed soon. But at any rate, you still can sign up. They're changing it, which it looks way better than it did before. But at any rate, okay, so you can do offline or online. As I mentioned before, you're going to be paid $100 every time you refer somebody. We have what we call the reverse 2-up comp plan. The first sale you keep, the second sale goes up to your sponsor. The third sale you keep, the fourth sale goes up to your sponsor. And that's how this program is designed, which makes it very powerful, because those second and fourth people that come up to you, they're also going to have to pass up their second and fourth. And then when they pass those up, they're going to have to pass up their second and fourth. You see how that goes? And it just goes on and on to infinity. This is not multi-level marketing, any of that, network marketing. It's a horizontal pay line. Just one level across, horizontal. That's it, okay? So you just make $100 over and over and over and over and over to infinity. And here's an illustration that explains just what I just mentioned, okay? And you can look at this at your leisure, okay? So, real simple program. I can show you how to do it online. If you want to do it online or you want to do both, that's great too. The more exposure you get to this offer, the more commissions you're going to make, okay? So, you will just simply click this button right here, okay, to join, and you're going to see my username there. That way you know you're on the right page. And my username right here is Postcard Diva, okay? That way you know you're on the right page, all right? So that's how you would do that. Now, if you're going to do the offline marketing with the postcards, you're going to go to the same website. The information will be here. Okay, and you're going to contact the company we use and order your cards. You can get 1,000 postcards for $72 and change. Okay, if it's not listed on here because it is going through construction, reach out to me and I will give you that information. You can give them a call, because that's how I place my order. I just call them over the phone and they place the order. I give them my username and tell them which color cards I want, and within 7 days I have them in the mail. Okay, so you can pay here with a credit card or debit card, guys, okay? So within 24 to 48 hours, you should receive an email from the company, Easy Profit 100. It may go to spam, so I recommend using a Gmail versus a Yahoo. But check your spam folder for for Easy Profit 100 email, okay, with your login information. Just log in and go ahead and set up your profile. You want to make sure you have the right email and the right address because they're going to mail checks out, okay? And then you want to make sure you have the right email because the company will notify you when you receive a commission. They will email you and say, hey, you just made $100. And it will show whether it was a pass up or just a regular sale referral from you. But it will show the $100, okay? And you're also going to be able to log into your back office and check for your sales and the name and email of the person that joined you. All right. So a simple program, guys, but you can do this online. Okay. So don't get caught up on the postcard portion. You can do that offline, or you can do online, or you can do both. Either one will work perfectly. Now I want to show you. Don't just send people to this page, okay? You want to send people to a capture page, all right? So let me show you an example of one. This is a capture page, guys. This is what I'm speaking of. You never want to send someone straight to your company's website. You want to send them to a page like this. This is a capture page, okay? So make sure, you know, when you're promoting, you're using a page such as this so that you can track your prospects and leads, okay? So that's pretty much how the capture page works. I never send someone directly to my page unless they're already on my subscriber list, all right? Now this is a page that I created in the Conversion Pros. So if you're interested in getting a marketing system, this system is $50 a month. You can sign up for free for 7 days and check it out. And everybody you refer, you're going to make $25. Once you upgrade to the $50 a month, you'll refer people and you get paid $25, and they pay every Friday, okay? And they don't even ask you for your credit card up front, so you can just test it out yourself, see how you like it, and you have more creativity with this system, okay? Then I do have another system. If you're not interested in the $50 a month, it's $7, and I'm gonna put the link below for that. You just only get one page though. With this one, I can make different pages for every business that I have, and I can just make different pages, unlimited pages, over and over for different marketing campaigns that I do. Okay, so just more creativity for the $50, but you get a whole lot of training with this too. Okay, so anyway, let's flip back over. Okay, so that's how I market. When I market online, I'm using the capture page. I even do it with my offline marketing with my postcards. I have a capture page set up where I can actually capture the name and email of people that's looking at my offer. Okay, so that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. If you're looking for a home-based business that's not going to break your wallet, $149 one time, okay, no monthly fees, this is a great program for you. It's simple. If you don't want to deal with online, you just want to mail the cards, keep it simple, let the company answer all your questions, you can do it that way. If you want to market online, on social media, or I do a lot of paid advertising, I can show you how to do that online. So you decide, but either way, it's just $149, and we can show you how to do it offline or online. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below for that. Go ahead and get started with Easy Profit 100. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, but make sure you go through, click the link below, go through my system so you can check everything out for yourself, okay? And then call me with questions. I'll be happy to answer those. Look forward to you guys joining the team. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and go ahead and click the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos, okay? See you guys on the inside. Y'all have a blessed day.